Everyone, hope that you are well. Welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I will present you the office design concepts. Um, so, as you can see in this rendering, I have already fitted all the spaces for this office building, and I want to discuss about the concepts which usually we apply in an office for an office building. So the first one I will talk about the direct lighting, how we can do that. I will go into this office space and I will share with you on the left side. You can see already the light distribution curve and the type of luminaire. This one is a 6x6. Typical luminaire used a lot in today's office spaces. So you see also the light distribution curve, how it looks. Later on, I have prepared also some pictures. I can maybe jump now on the typical, let's say, office space. It looks like this. This is, as I said, a standard classic design where you have a recessed luminaires and yeah, the lighting distribution is directly upon the task area and surrounding area in that office space. Next one possibility which we can apply for a space is still uh, direct lighting, but in this moment I will say I will use focus on a suspended luminaire, like in this case. So for this conference room, I have placed, for example, suspended luminaires. You can see the light distribution curve on the left side. Again, the photometric lighting distribution and as well the lighting fixture used. Moving on to the picture size, I will move next to the conference room. So you can see the rendering in Dialux, but a picture from the conference room, how the luminaire looks suspended to the ceiling. And yeah, it's assuring, let's say, for this space, more exclusive. It's a minimalistic design compared with the previous design where we still have direct lighting, but we use a different lighting fixture, a 6x6, and it's just providing let's say the same layout to a bigger space than a conference room. So that's an alternative how to use a direct lighting concept, but as I mentioned, mounted suspended. Of course, for still direct mounted, you can direct lighting, you can use also a different size, 3 by 12, classical 3 by 12. So not only 6 by 6, but also 3 by 12. And this usually in office application, you have recessed, surface mounted, or suspended mounted. So that's about, let's say, direct lighting. Let's say the most usual solution that you will find in an office building. And then we'll move on to the indirect lighting. Um, Unfortunately, I will not personally, I'm not recommending this kind of just totally indirect. Even you eliminate the cave effect compared with the direct lighting, so you'll have more light, reducing the glare drastically compared with the direct lighting. Even the direct lighting is according with the UGR below 19, so also that it's comfort in accordance with the norms for the fulfilling the lighting requirements for an office space. But indirect lighting, I would say, is not really friendly with let's say from the point of view of energy saving, because you need a lot of lumen output, let's say like that, and just to achieve the 500 lux by a total indirect lighting solution, that's yeah, a lot of fixtures. So as I said, I'm not really fan of the solution. But moving on, I would say I move to a mix solution. So direct indirect lighting for office. I will move now on this one, small office, where I have used, for example, freestanding luminaire. So here, if you check, I will just click on it, sorry, and we can see the light distribution curve. So more indirect light distribution and direct light upon the task area. So yeah, this can be done with a freestanding solution, and as well we can have a look how this kind of design looks in reality. So as you can see in the following picture, an office where we have two freestandings, one freestanding for two desks can be used. As you can see in this picture, we have 4 desks. So for one desk, for 2 desks, we use one freestanding, and from the other 2 desks, another freestanding. It looks again an exclusive office, minimalistic, compared with what we have seen in the beginning. And you can even use a task lighting. So this is, yeah, very, very, I'll say, let's say home office, if you, especially when we had to work from home, you could use this one. So it's very efficient in this case, because you just direct the light where you need it, so on your workplace. But of course, you need also as well ambiental lighting for the surrounding area in that space. But this is, I would say, the most efficient um, solution, let's say, to have the light where you need it. So not in all the space. Even you have, let's say, 5 desks, then you need to use a lot of lighting. So yeah, that's pretty much what I want to share with you today about the lighting, office lighting design concepts that are available in the market, and usually you can see easily when you enter an office building. If you have questions, please feel free to add in the comments section. And what I want to show you, one last solution, which I almost forgot, it's about direct, indirect, but this time mounted suspended. So we can have also this one for this office, as you can see it here. So in the other case for freestanding, we had more indirect light. So this means on the ceiling walls. In this case, when you suspended, we have a luminaire mounting on the ceiling. We have more light direct, so to the task area, and less on the indirect part. Of course, can be different ratios, can be 70 direct, 30 indirect, can be 50%, can be 60-40. So depend on the manufacturer, and of course depend on the light distribution curve. So with that in mind, that's all for today. Please give a like to this video, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. And until next time, I wish you all the best. Take care of you. Bye bye.